Good afternoon, dear audience. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine. I'm also fine. I'm very glad and excited to be here. And at first, I'm not a good expert presenter, but I will try my best to deliver a better speech before you. For the presentation, I choose the topic about myself. Well, my name is Shimanto Sumit. You can call me Shimanto. I'm from Borishal, but at this moment I'm in Mirpur, Dhaka. I'm 16 years old. I just completed my SSC examination. After the SSC examination, I got nearly 2 months. In this academic gap, I choose to be fluent in English. So I took admission in English fantasy. In my family, there are 5 members. They are my parents, my two brothers, and also me. From my childhood, my father always helps me to be on the right track. And taking admission in English fantasy also his decision. And I think this is the best decision of my life to the journey to learn English. From my childhood, even now also, I'm so curious about my surrounding. So I took science when I was in class 9, and I also wish to take science at HSC examination. Let's talk about my hobbies. I think I like I like cooking most, and also reading stories and novels. I also enjoy listening music, and my favorite artist is Arjit Singh, and he's definitely a legendary singer. I also watch Bengali dramas, and my favorite dramatists are Jial Farooq Apurbo, Yash Rohan, Shabel Noor, and also the others. And if my favorite color is black and green. Why black? Because wearing black, I think I feel confident, and the green natural beauty just plays my eyes and minds. If I talk about my future plan, I want to go abroad for completing my higher education and find a respectful job there in the IT sector. I also have a wish to be a social media influencer so that I can influence and motivate others. I also like to think positively and creatively. I believe in honesty and smart work. I always feel confident doing these things which will not harm the humanity. If God helps me, I want to do something for the whole world so that the next generation will remember me after 50 years and more. Honestly, it's my first English presentation. I don't know how it is, but I try my best to deliver something in front of you. And thank you very much. It's a very nice and memorable moment with all of you. Thank you, the judges. Thank you, the listeners. Thank you.